is how to upload your YouTube videos the right way. 99% of small YouTubers are uploading their video wrongly. They use the plus sign on the YouTube app, and that is the likely reason you are still waking up to no subscribers. But there's a proper way that top YouTubers follow to get millions of views. Once you learn this, you are going to go from this to this.
Firstly, we'll go to the YouTube studio, but not the one, not the app. We're going to use the Chrome version. You just type on YouTube and press login. Then this will redirect us straight to the YouTube studio. When we get to the YouTube studio, you are going to see create and this arrow sign. When you press create, you can use either the create or the arrow sign. You create is to upload video, then you select files. It will take you to where your files are, or if your video is in your pictures, you select your videos. When you load immediately, it will transfer you to this page. This is the normal details you see when you upload through YouTube. Yes, so this is, we just put your title, your description. Also, I have a video on how to make default descriptions and default settings, so just make sure you watch that video. All this part, you already know this part. This is not new to someone that already started uploading. Then you select your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail is very catchy, because your thumbnail is very vital for your video. Then we'll go to playlists. You select where the videos are. The playlists are so good because it helps your page to be organized, and it also helps someone that wants to watch a series of your videos just keep watching and watching. Then audience, are this for children? Make sure you click. Then paid promotion. Does this video contain paid promotion? You let us know. Altered content, is it going to harm? So these are the places that you will not see in your YouTube. So you are going to these automatic chapters, don't click it, except don't click it. I did a video explaining it. Then tags, make sure you add tags that are connected to the videos. Then also you need to allow license and distribution. If your subscribers are not watching your videos, please turn that stuff off. Then also category, is it the videos, all these things you won't see them on your YouTube studio. So this is why this is the proper way to upload. The next slide, we're going to monetization. If you have reached monetization threshold, you just click on. But if you have not reached it, by God's grace, this 2025, you start clicking. And we go to add suitability to check if your video has no copyright and it's allowed to run for ads. So add suitability, you can rate your own video against YouTube guidelines. So you just click if it's none of above is affecting you, then you submit your rating. YouTube will be checking it while you can go to the next place. The next place that we're going to move into now is going to be the video element. This is where you add your end screen, subtitle, and add card. I'm just adding end screen, so I'm just going to pick this tool to put a video I want and to link a playlist that this video is under. So when someone will watch this video, they can watch more related videos to this. Then checks, this is just for YouTube to be able to check that there's no copyright, it's suitable for ads. Then the last thing is visibility. Make sure you put your video in enlisted for 24 hours before the video is public. I explained why you should do this on a previous video. Please check it. And with everything said and done, you just press schedule and automatically your video is already uploaded to your YouTube. It's as simple as that. Please don't upload your video with that plus sign in 2025. I don't want to see it again.
I hope this video was very helpful and now you have learned the proper way to upload your videos on YouTube. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.